The number of fake stores appearing on the internet is growing all the time. The boom in online shopping, which is currently on the rise due to the global crisis of COVID-19, makes it a great time for cybercriminals. They are putting more and more effort into trying to trick us, and possibly more and more people and organizations are doing it. One of the easiest ways for them to scam us is simply to sell us something fake or that we will never receive. Most of these scams occur through fake online stores, which are short-lived because they are soon discovered, but while they work, they manage to scam many victims. When they see that they have been discovered, they close the page, create another practically identical one, but with a different address, and continue with their business. There are always unexpected and experienced users who buy from these fraudulent stores, handing over their money to the criminals in exchange for nothing. The purchased items will never arrive, or at best they will arrive with a ridiculous quality. FakeNet.com helps us to spot them before you buy. If you have the slightest suspicion of a website where you are going to buy something, it is highly recommended that you visit FakeNet.com. It is a page where you can review all the addresses of online stores that have been confirmed as fake. In the scam section, we see as a list the screenshots of the pages identified as fake. If you click any of them, you will find the details of the page or store and the reasons why it is classified as unsafe. The list is updated in real time, with several being added every day. It is the website users themselves, through social networks, who inform them. After analyzing it, the site's technicians classify it as unsafe and publish it on their website.